if somebody's going to paint a door, I've seen some people leave everything like this and try to, I'll just paint that in place with a mini roller, and then I'll use a paintbrush and go around the other stuff, and then when everything dries, the mini roller throws stipple finish on it, and then the paintbrush is more finer around the finish after you paint on there, and then you see, oh yeah, I see what they did. And then they got paint, a little bit of paint around the edge, a little paint around the door latch, a little paint around the hinges, little paint around the door strike plate, and all that. Nothing doing. Take that stuff off. And in fact, I'm gonna be repainting these doors, and Momi wants new hardware, so that'll be a good time to change all this. Even if this gold finish was going to stay, I mean, it looks pretty good. I would still to paint these doors, I would still take them down into the garage, take the hinges off the door jamb, take the doorknob off, take the latch off, take the door bumper off, take the strike plate off, do all that stuff before I paint, before I clean the door jambs and wipe those all down and sand them. And then after you sand, you gotta wipe that down. I mean, there's a lot to do when you're talking about repainting everything. You ever heard painters, or you ever heard somebody say it's all in the prep? Well, it is all in the prep. Do things right and get your job done looking good, so when you get done with this entire job, it's going to look like a professional did it. And you'll be like, wow, I did it myself, and it actually turned out really good.